guys, Kiwi's Para Explore here guys. So today we are just at a local church today. My videos are not going to be like going out and sort of trying to search and find places because it's right before Christmas guys. So I just want to get out some videos. I don't want to let you guys down, like we're not having any like one week and then maybe next week. So I'm just trying to get out to our local today. So we're at a little church. Look, you can see it behind me. I'll show you in a minute guys. So yeah, I'm just going to do a little spirit box session, have a little wander around, see what you know, the ages are on the graves, and hopefully guys we'll get some spirits come through and speak to us. Keep your ears out, let's get into it. Guys, if you see the camera shaking a bit, I don't know why. It's kind of, I'm not shaking my hand, but the actual phone has got like a shaky vibe to it, I don't know. Anyway, so we've got some of these here. That one's like a checkboard, isn't it? Play checkers. That one's 1908. We've got a little angel down there. So, just have a wander up here. 1919. So guys, this goes sort of like round in a circle, this place. These are all about 19s at the moment. Look at that. I don't know if that's a building out there or some kind of like mausoleum. You can see it at the back there, it's got like a little window on it. Anyway, so this is a church. I don't know any information on this place, but what I do is when I get home I will put it in the read up in the description. So there's a car there. That one there's a web, could be related. But they're 1920s. Yeah, that's fascinating. So we've got some over there. I'm just going round first, just doing this circle round guys, just to show you. That's quite an early what have we got here? Can't see. 1919. A lot of these are new, so I'm not going to show them. There's toilets there. Got my little cherry car over there. I'll say little, she's not little. Cherry Sue. If you're wondering why I call her Cherry Sue, she was always called Cherry when I brought her. I was like, yep, she's going to be called Cherry. And then obviously when my mum passed away in June, I was like, I'm going to call her Cherry Sue. My dad got a new car and he's like, right, I'm going to call it Sue. So I'm like, actually, good idea. I'm going to call mine Cherry Sue. But yeah, there's a little walkway down there. It leads down to the gates. So, I don't know if you can see down there, guys. It's like a clear, straight walk down there to the gate. But I'm just going to show you down that bit over there. It's like your military and, you know, remembrance area there. But I'm going to drive up to the top and go check that building out. Hold on guys. Okay guys, so I am just coming up to it now. Yes, I told you it's a mausoleum. Awesome, never see those. Built circa 1908 in Art Nouveau style. My camera's still shaking, I do apologise guys. Commissioned in 1901 by Edward August Heinrich Kraftmeier. Renovated July 2011 and funded by Corey Environmental Trust. So we've got a George, a Harriet, an Edward, an Emily, a Mabel, Esme, another. No, did I say John earlier? No, we didn't. So they've got a John and a Phyllis. I doubt you can go in there, guys, but look how cool that looks. just going to go up to the... I doubt you can get in. It's quite creepy actually. Can you guys see? It's quite hard to see because the window's kind of like smashed. And it's got like a... I don't know, like a gel look to the window. Cool. Anyway. Just gonna try not to fall over. There I've got some workers over there, Joyous. But yeah guys, so just wanted to show you the artwork on this side. So let's get into the spirit box session. I don't know if my carriage is called that then, it sounded like Jack. Did you say Jack? One. Hello spirits. Can you tell me your name? Can you make it clear for me? Make it loud. Say your name for me. Thank you. Did you say Mary? We've got a Mary here, guys. Mary Early. Try and hide my number plate. Tell me a name of who's in the mausoleum right here in front of me. Say one of your names. Can you say that again for me? Is George here? Harriet, are you here? Whoa, did you hear that, guys? It's like, no! Like a, I don't know, like a weird tone to it. Edward, are you here? Sound like no. Emily, are you here? Mabel. Does that sound quite childlike? I'm not sure. So that was 18. Mabel's 1893. Mabel, was that you? If that was you, Mabel, can you speak again for me? Can you tell me your favourite colour? What's your favourite colour? Esme, are you here? John Edward, are you here? Could have been a no, I'm not sure. Phyllis? Phyllis, are you here? Do people come and visit you? I'm not sure that was David, but then that could be radio, I'm not sure. Do people come to this church? When did you die? What's that? When did you die? Can you say my name? He had a something, I'm not sure. My name's Melissa. Can you say my name? Hello, I mean no harm. I'm only here to communicate. I speak with spirits through this device. So if you want to speak to me, say hello. Could have been a hi. Can you tell me your name? How old are you? Okay, thank you for speaking with me, spirits. I'm going to end this now. I'm just going to try something else, guys, so hold on. Okay, if there's any spirits here, can you make a noise? Got an aeroplane flying above. Can you tap on my car? Can you throw a stone? Can you copy me? Can you say something near me? If you can you walk this path behind me so I can hear your footsteps? Guys, I'm not even joking, I just heard bump bump. Like someone wearing boots, like that kind of noise. like from over this part, but it's grass. And it's just all like, there's nothing down there for anyone to be walking. If you're here, can you do that again for me? Let me hear your footsteps. Walk up behind me now, if you can. I'm hearing noises, guys, but over there, not over by that end. I'm not sure. Anyway, guys, I'm going to end this here. Hope you've enjoyed. If you've heard anything, please let me know in the comments. And yeah, we'll be back out for another spooky explore at some point. Anyway, guys, spooks you later. Like, comment down below, and subscribe if you are new here, guys. Spooks you later.